Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2013 government pass question. Question number 8, and the question here says as an executive, the commissioner is charged with the responsibility of dash. As an executive, the commissioner is charged with the responsibility of dash, or with responsible of dash. Now, when we talk of a commissioner is under executive arm of government. A commissioner is under the executive arm of government. So, and option A says making laws, B says implementing laws, C says writing laws, D says giving loans. Now, as we all know, the function of the executive is not to make law. It's not to make law. So option A cannot be. The function of the executive is implementation of the law. So since a commissioner is under executive arm of government, then its duty is to implement law. Option B is correct. Thank you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.